No turn on red. No turn on red. Can you turn on red? Turn on red. Hello. Hi. How you doing? No U-turn. No U-turn. That's a one-way, shithead. Jesus Christ. That's the exit, you shithead. Of course, the exit sign's blocked, but still. You know, go on the left side. You guys coming out the right side. Here, nice stop here. Don't hit me, lady, for fuck's sake. Don't. You hit the curb. Hey! Good job, dumbass. Good job. Toyotard. Stop. 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 Come on, go. Wake up, Toyotard. And then stay from the turn lane, scumbag. Toyotard. Stop. Stop either. Don't hit me, thank you. Why did I do this? Make an attempt to stop, why don't you, for fuck's sake? Yeah, before you didn't stop either, but, you know, whatever. Don't turn right on red. That's a no turn on red. It's a no turn on red. Thank you. You have a stop sign? Give me attitude, you fuckbag. Stop. That was a cutoff. Hey, don't stop. Toyoturd. Is that a cutoff? Yay! Cut off and no turn on red. What the hell you doing, dude? We're in the red. We're in the red. Ah. Thanks, Bim. I think you were in the red. You're in the red. You already ran the red. There's something disquieting about sitting on a bridge and having it bounce, and Toyoturds running red lights. Hey, 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 hey. You're in the red. You're in the red. Okay, here we go. Hey, how about that yield, huh? Yeah. Cut off. Toyoturd. Oh, hello. Hi. Yep. I know it's coming. I know it's coming. And there it is. Shit. Don't run that. Don't run that. Oh, you ran that. And you ran that. Hey, that was red. But, well, yeah, it was that person's turn, not yours. Whatever the hell that was. And you didn't stop. And you went straight from the turn lane, and you're forcing your way out. We're in the right on red. Stop! Toyoturd! Left from the straight lane. Go! Would you fucking move? Not on the stop sign. No turn on red. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You did it. Turn your headlights, dummy. Stop at the stop sign and watch for the pedestrian. Oh, you're in the red light. Yeah, okay. Don't hit me. Thank you. Don't turn on red either. You turned right on red. And you just ran the red. Okay.